All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-150 mid-roof short wheelbase with 15,000 miles. Beautiful white with gray vinyl interior. My dog is minimum damage, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, super nice. Best of all, 15,000 miles on this bad boy. Check it out. Your front bumper looks good. Your hood looks nice. Your front fender looks good. And here's your front driver's steel wheel. And your tire thread is at 12:30 seconds, it looks like. Battery, my light just went out. This, got my little helper here today. This door looks good. This quarter here looks pretty good. Does have a little dinghy right there. It's got a dent here, so you can see on both panels. Boom, boom. All right, so this is kind of dented there. This quarter looks. Also, the quarter looks pretty good. I see a little dent right there and another one right there. Let's see. Boom, boom. All right, the rest looks pretty good. You got power windows, power door locks. You do have a power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. This vehicle does come with one key fob combo and owner's manual. Check out pictures for more details. All right. Got you to turn on the lights here. You got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera up here. Wow. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on. Any issues in your module? 15622. Coming around. Rear passenger steel wheel. And tire thread is at over 11:30 seconds. Doors back here look pretty good. This door looks like it's been painted before. Had a dent here, about 3 inches, 2 inches, sorry. Rest looks pretty good. These doors do swing out. As you can see, that's one of them swung out, and this one swings out as well. Boom. That looks like, of course, your cargo area. Oh, very nice. Love the LED lights. They really do shine in there. Got the wood paneling on this side, as well as this side. There's even some cordage there for you. Doors look good. Looking good. This quarter looks pretty good. This door does have some damage, as you can see. Dented up. Rear passenger steel wheel. Tire thread, over 12:30 seconds. Got some scuffing on the molding. I believe this molding is cracked as well. Cracking right there. So, alright. Side cargo area. Now the door obviously opens and closes well, despite the hit there. Cargo area looks nice. Here's your front passenger seat. So you can see, no holes, no tears, and rips. Looks good. This door looks good. This fender looks good. Here's your front passenger steel wheel. And tire thread. This at 11:30 seconds. Give me 1 second to set up my ladder here. And the roof. The roof looks great. I don't see any problems here. Looks like it's been scratched up, maybe about a tree. That's just a little scratch. That's about it, guys. Perfect. That's about it. Boom, boom. Everything looks great. Folks, once again, this is the 2017 Ford Transit T-150 mid-roof short wheelbase with 15,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.